Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll create a Python script to check the expiry date of an SSL certificate for a given domain. This can be useful for monitoring SSL certificate expiration and taking timely actions to renew or update certificates. We'll use the SSL and datetime modules for this task. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. The script is compatible with both Python 2 and Python 3. Open a terminal and install the required libraries. Create a new Python script, for example, check_SSL_expiry.py, and add the following code. Save the script and run it from the terminal. Replace example.com with the domain you want to check. The script will output the number of days remaining until the SSL certificate for the specified domain expires. Feel free to integrate this script into your monitoring systems or use it as part of a larger application to automate SSL certificate expiry checks. ChatGPT